Drones have tended to be controlled by two-handed game-style controllers. The DJI Avata 2, by contrast, uses head motion to control aspects of the drone's movement. Combining a headset and a handset, it allows for highly intuitive drone control. Speed and accuracy are paramount in large-scale packaging. This machine can safely pick up a whole layer of items at a time and prepare them for packaging, faster than humans, and with less risk of breakages. One-wheeling is a sport between skateboarding and mountain biking on a one-wheeled board. Now, Onewheel, the company that builds the boards, has released a performance version. The GTS series has much more power than its predecessors and is aimed at experts. Pumping up flat bicycle tires can be a real pain. This electric battery pump takes out the need to carry CO2 cartridges. Simply press, inflate, and you're gone in 80 seconds. Engineering is anything that makes a human task easier. This simple brick gripper means bricklayers can make short work of collecting bricks. That speeds up their daily work without adding to their carrying burden. Precision speed gluing is a task at which machines are much more efficient than humans. This high-speed glue gun delivers exactly the right amount every time across the board. How many circuits could you glue in the time it took to watch this video? Sometimes, humanity is too clever for its own good. Everyone wants to get cooler in increasingly oppressive summer heat. But this 3D printed shirt flapper may be just a little too much sledgehammer to crack a regular nut. Salmon is a much-loved fish, but pinboning is a tedious, messy, and risky procedure. This automated pinbone remover takes all the effort and the guesswork out of the equation. It helps ensure that mass-produced salmon is safe for consumption. In an age of high-pressure law enforcement and fatal errors, technology can help. BolaWrap is an example of non-lethal incapacitation tools that are available. It wraps around the body, arms, or legs when fired. Just make sure not to aim for the neck. Shoulder-launched air defense missile systems are very important in active defense. The Sungur system by Roketsan claims to have the longest range in its class. It can lock on before launch with its infrared sensors.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.